Guys, I believe all you are searching for a new job. Maybe some of you get that and some of not. So, guys, if you are searching for a job and you are not getting a job, so never give up. This is today's topic. So, me, Manish Aswal from Solver for You, welcome you in today's topic. Let's begin. So, guys, I read today in one article that many persons are like doing certifications, and why they are doing certifications? Because they are not getting job. And why they are not getting jobs? Because what I see, that they already left their job due to some reasons in last 5 years, 4 year back, 3 year back, and due to this long term gap, they are not find a suitable job. So what should they do? Today I'll tell. First of all, guys, if you are belongs on IT sector, I'll suggest you three things. First of all, if you are going for any certifications, which I saw that many persons are doing certifications, so that their possibility of getting a new job will increase high. Guys, just remember three things in your mind before doing any certifications if you feel that it will increase your job chances. First of all, do single certification instead of multiple certifications. Second thing, do a long term certification instead of short term certification. And third thing, do a latest skill certifications or upcoming skill certifications or a niche skill certifications. I'll explain all three of them. First of all, what is mean by one certifications? I saw guys are doing multiple certifications: Java, Oracle, .NET, SQL, multiple skill certifications in IT sector I'm talking about. I'll suggest that if they have expertise, if they have interest in one particular skill, suppose Oracle, they just first of all they just search how many types of certifications are present in Oracle. Second thing, which certifications has more demand in market. Third, only then they will think to apply for that certification. And fourth, the main important thing is, don't go for any particular institute. If it's possible to do it online, it will be the best, because it will save your time and money both. So keep these things in your mind before doing any certification, first of all. Second thing, do certifications which are of long term. Long term means not go for 2 month certification, 3 month certification, 6 month certification. Go for long term certifications, means 2+ years, at least 2+ year certification. If there will be 2+ year certification, only go for that. Because what happen, if you are going for a job, means after completing your certification, there will be a candidate who is already have 2 or 3 years experience, and you are showing 2 months certification. Do you think that you will get a job for 2 months certification? If you need to crack the interview, first of all, if you need to get the job, you need to increase your certification duration. Second thing, because if other candidates have 6 month certification and you have 2 year certification, or 3 years certification, you already a step ahead among those. Second thing, 2 year certification, 3 year certification, sometime employers think that maybe if I'll provide some training, so it will be equivalent to a 2+ or 3+ years experienced candidate. Sometimes it possible, so that will create a little bit percent of chance of your selection. So just keep this thing in mind. And third thing, the most important thing, choose your skill sets as per market demand. Not go for anything like Java, .NET, anything. First of all, search that those skills has demand in the market or not, as well as also try some niche skills like APM is there, and other niche skills which has very less candidates in market, which are doing by many very less persons in India or all over the world, even through online. So just go on those skills and find out there is any certification is present in the market, and if yes, then go for that certificate only or certification only, instead of doing any certification or any that certification which already has thousands of like applicants in the market. So why anyone choose you? So these points just keep in your mind before doing anything, and never give up, which is the today's topic, that never give up in your mind. Just fix these three words, never give up, in your mind. Even you are at 30 plus years of age or 35 plus years of age, you are not doing job in last 5 years, 10 years, never mind it, or never like think about that. Think that I'm not doing anything in last 5 years professionally, so how can I get a job? Just concentrate on your certifications. If you feel that it will like give you a relevant job in future in India or outside India, and be flexible. If you want to like go on site, or maybe like go far away from your home, don't hesitate it, even if you are married, because like sometime it will like beneficial for you as well as your family. So these are my suggestions, my personal suggestions as per my past experience. I hope you all like these suggestions. If you have any query, any question, just comment me on the comment box, as well as also email me. I keep my email ID on my comment section as well as on my description, and also post my previous videos on I button, on which I already post many interviews and job related videos. I hope you also check those videos and like those videos. Second thing, if you like my today's episode, please like, share and subscribe, all up for you for these type of more episodes. And thank you so much, guys.